Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are discussing why PLTR stock is due for a breakout based upon technical analysis of its chart. Then we will talk about why two large institutional investing firms are buying up Palantir shares, and lastly we will discuss why Palantir Technologies is now looking extremely bullish after breaking through its respected resistance levels. Go and press the like button right now for more Palantir stock news. Leave a comment down below when you think PLTR stock will surge. Remember to subscribe to stay updated on Palantir Technologies. But right now, let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a free brokerage app where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. But right now, you can get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can get the first free stock, which can be worth anywhere from $2 to $250 for just creating an account. And you can get a second free stock, which can be worth up to $1,600 if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit. You will have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google or Procter & Gamble. To get this offer, just press on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer will not last forever. And without further ado, let's get into today's stories. Palantir Technologies has been a top performing quote-unquote meme stock, but honestly Palantir is a very powerful company. The PLTR stock price continues to consolidate around the $20 to $24 range, which shows great resistance to bearish pressure. Palantir also has a constant stream of contract catalysts on top of Cathie Wood's ARK Invest continuously buying up PLTR shares, along with Goldman Sachs turning more bullish on Palantir, which is great news. PLTR stock is a great long-term growth play, especially around or below the $20 mark due to its competitive data mining and artificial intelligence technology, plus it has worked with the FBI, CIA, and the Department of Defense. So meme stock or not, these clients do not mess around and they will not hire a company who is not the real deal. Palantir shares have mainly been trading in a triangle formation, and by this consolidation of the stock price, it is winding up, just waiting for a big enough catalyst that will have it skyrocket. Recently, Palantir stock has broken its 9 and 21-day moving average resistance level, which is great news because this is a positive bullish signal. This is validated by the moving average convergence divergence indicator to buy PLTR stock, but even if this stock turns bearish all of a sudden and it goes down in price, I would buy more at a cheaper price because steady growth will benefit long-term holders such as myself. Now ideally we would want PLTR stock to break through its 50-day moving average, which would be around $24.28, which would then lead to the next price target of $25.77, but if that price is also passed, then we could be looking at $32.97 per share in the next few months. However, on the flip side, if the PLTR stock price falls below its support level, which is close to $20.97, the bulls will no longer have control over Palantir Technologies stock, and the bears could gain control of it. The current analyst price predictions for PLTR stock this year is $15 as the low, $26.33 as the average, and $40 as the high. Now, I personally have a $50 price prediction on it, according to my own analysis, which I have talked about in other videos. But the Zacks rank system, which has a proven and audited track record, says that PLTR stock is a good hold. The reason it's not a buy for them is mainly because PLTR has a forward PE ratio of 128.4 compared to their industry, which has a PE ratio of only 31.39. So you are paying a premium for PLTR stock right now. This means on on a comparative basis, you are paying for a stock that is overpriced compared to its industry. However, this does not make Palantir a bad buy, especially when we conduct further analysis and look at its price targets by analysts. Even though Palantir Technologies stock is selling for a premium, Cathie Wood of ARK Invest has loaded the boat with ticker symbol TWLO and PLTR respectively, so clearly the future worth and value of these stocks makes up for their current premiums. To me, it's a no-brainer that the PLTR stock price will go up over time. As you know, Palantir has two major business segments that rake in hundreds of millions of dollars from the government and large enterprises, including the US Army, who uses Palantir's Gotham system to manage over 1 million soldiers, and they also help Airbus, one of the largest names in aviation, and they help Airbus to track 5 million parts while coordinating the engineering plans of hundreds of teams across 4 countries. Palantir also has great yearly revenue growth. Just in 2018, their revenue was $595 million, and then in 2020, that revenue grew to $1.1 billion, and we are projected to see the steady revenue growth all the way until 2025. This amazing revenue growth has caused some of the world's largest asset management firms, such as BlackRock and Vanguard, to buy shares of Palantir Technologies, along with Shopify, who also has very impressive growth potential. In 2020, Palantir's revenue surged by 47% to $1.1 billion, with 56% of that coming from their government clients and 44% coming from their commercial clients. The money coming from the government customer base is supposed to increase rapidly over the next 5 years, while their commercial clientele will have a slightly slower start, but should eventually outpace even the largest government contracts by sheer volume. Because of this, some options traders have gone crazy, betting over $529,000 that Palantir's stock price is headed way higher than it is today. But these retail options traders are not alone, because even institutions have joined in who are also buying call options in anticipation for a very large stock price movement in the positive direction regarding Palantir Technologies. And now that institutional smart money has joined, it could very well be that the PLTR stock price will surge. However, I am not willing to take that risk because I do not know of any large catalyst that would cause something like that to happen to the stock. I would much rather bet that the PLTR stock price will be much higher in 5 years than it is today, and that's why I am investing into this great company now and holding long term. Remember to go and press that like button right now, especially if you made it to the end of the video. Comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you are new, and I will see all of you in the next YT video.